world where scientific breakthroughs and health claims flood our news feeds daily, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and confused. But amidst the sea of information lies a crucial distinction between good science and bad science. Join us as we embark on a journey to unravel the complexities of scientific research, exploring why it matters and how it impacts our lives. We will see how internet is most contaminated medium for health-related information. Let us dive in. There are many factors to consider when assessing the quality of a study, ranging from the type of research, observational or otherwise. It is to how well it's designed, how many participants there were, whether humans or animals were involved, and more. A perfect example of how ignoring the quality of research can result in misleading conclusions is antioxidant supplementation. 3 decades ago, as evidence accumulated that the saturated fat in butter may be related to heart disease risk, scientists recommended that people switch to margarine to reduce their saturated fat intake. A perfect example of this is how people want definitive answers as to which foods are good and bad. Scientifically speaking, there are no good and bad foods. Rather, food quality exists on a continuum, meaning that some foods are better than others when it comes to general health and well-being. For a scientific finding to be considered true, it needs to be reproduced, meaning that other scientists should be able to achieve the same results by repeating the experiment. A perfect example of this is research out of the Ramazzini Institute in Italy that supposedly showed that aspartame caused cancer in rats. When scientists do a study, they collect the data, analyze it, write up the results, and submit the write-up to a scientific journal for publication. The study then goes through a process of peer review, which consists of other independent scientists reviewing it for flaws. The peer review process isn't without flaws, but it's the first line of defense against bad research getting published and then propagated by the media. Thanks to peer review, if a study is published in a scientific journal, you can at least know it's gone through some type of quality control. Wakefield's paper was eventually retracted from the journal, but to this day, his fraudulent research is still used to support the claim that vaccines may cause autism, despite numerous studies showing no such relationship. Poor study designs skew the results, and some scientists accidentally or intentionally falsify their data. At the end, remember that understanding the nuances of scientific research is key to making informed decisions about your health and well-being. By distinguishing between good science and bad science, we can separate fact from fiction and navigate the ever-changing landscape of knowledge with discernment. Let's continue to question, explore, and seek wisdom as we journey toward a brighter, more enlightened future. Let us not get influenced by YouTubers wearing white coat styling themselves as doctors. If you found this video interesting, please like and share the video and subscribe the channel.